Alright, there it is, a quick catch and cook from yesterday's striper. Gonna make some ceviche. Got this all cut up, looking nice, all cubed up. Gonna get this marinating in some lime juice. And then we got the red onion, tomatoes, and cucumbers over here. See you guys in a bit. Alright, that's what it's looking like after squeezing a few limes in there. We're gonna put some few more in there, and we're gonna see you guys in a little bit, and I'll show you guys how that color changes on that meat. Lets you know it's ready. Alright, there we go. Got it all cut up, looking nice and good. Got the striper over here all cubed up, marinating in that lime juice. Let it sit there and marinate for a few hours, and then we'll get back to you guys in a bit. Alright, there it is. That's what the ceviche is looking like after about 30 minutes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Really nice and white and flaky. We're just going to give it a good mix and then let it marinate for a little bit more. Alright, real quick, I'll show you guys what I ended up doing right now. I put the fish in the strainer right here, let all the juice come out into my container that I'm going to keep on using. And then I ended up chopping the fish really fine. Just cutting it up a little bit smaller, getting some nice little pieces like that, as you guys can see. Nice little texture. And then we're going to mix everything in here, the fish and then the red onions, and then we'll mix everything at the end. When I cut it up right now, it's been about 30 minutes. I can still tell the inside is a little bit raw. You can still see that it looks like raw fish. The outside looks pretty good, so we're gonna let it cook for a little bit longer. See you guys in a bit. Alright, you guys, that's what the final product looks like. It's been in there for about an hour and a half. You guys see that nice white flaky meat from that striper. Now we're gonna add all this. Got the tomatoes, cucumber, cilantro. Give it a good mix. Oh man, that looks lovely. There it is, you guys. Fire ass striper ceviche from the California Aqueduct. Man. See you guys on the next one.